Hello everyone. Hope you're doing well. Let me show you how to create an administrator user account on a Windows 11 computer. First, click the search icon and type user, then select add, edit, or remove other users. In this section, you'll see options like add a family member and add other user. To create a new account, click add account. Windows will ask for an email address or phone number. If you want to create a local account without using email, click I don't have this person's sign-in information. On the next screen, choose Add a user without a Microsoft account. Now enter a username for the new account. You can also set a password and add security questions in case you forget it. Once you're done, click Next. The account will now be created. To give it administrator rights, click on the account, then select Change Account Type. From the drop-down menu, choose Administrator and click OK. That's it. You've successfully created a local administrator account on Windows 11. The same steps also work on Windows 10.